Good morning, traders, and welcome. Or good afternoon, sorry. So this is our end of the week analysis. So we'll be seeing this pretty soon. I do not want to get the Telegram channel clogged up with too many posts. So one, so that you don't miss out on anything that we are doing. I want to clearly announce that I'll be doing um, market reviews 3 times a week on the Telegram channel. On Mondays to tell us how the market is feeling, and then on Wednesday, which will be our midweek review, and then on Friday, which will be a roundup of the week. So these are three key times that you should expect posts from me on the Telegram channel, so that you don't say, okay, there were opportunities that you missed, and so you can time yourself and put yourself in perspective. I hope that this is very good for every one of us, especially for those of us that are working. And I'll be putting out the opportunities for the week in the videos, all right? So every week, expect 3 broadcasts from me, all right, on the Telegram channel. Thank you very much. So yesterday, I did a video, on Wednesday, I did a video on how to sustain and stay in a trade. And at the time I was doing that video, price was somewhere around here. Price was somewhere around here on this Boom 500. And I said I was still going to stay in the market because I know what I'm seeing, all right? There's something that is keeping me in the market. Why am I still in the market? Very strong thing, very strong thing. And my confidence is on that stuff, right? And today, see where price is. And look at our entry point and look at our tick pro and our stop loss, all right? I'm not anywhere near, this is 0.6%. And now we are up by 8.2%. 0.6 to ratio 8.2. Do you know how much that is? Do you know what the risk to reward ratio? The risk to reward ratio of 0.6 to 8.2. The 8.2 is about 1:14. It's about 1:14. All right. And to be honest with you guys, we are nowhere close to my take profit. As a matter of fact, let me show you where the take profit is. This is the trade, this is the opportunity, and this is where I am going to. Come on, where are you? Just imagine that. I'm driving price, all right? It's gonna take a long time though. I'm driving price from this point to that point. That is 58% on 0.6. So if it was 1, that's like 1:90. It'll take me a while to get there. But these are memorable moments, like I said. I will book profit along the way as price journeys, okay? But what is important is that there is one trade that you will hold. You will hold it by the balls. You will hold it by the balls and it will pay for your losses. You will hold it by the balls and it will pay for your losses. We have the story of this Jewish German Jew by the name of what's his name? The owner of Blackstone. I don't know why I'm forgetting his name. The owner of Blackstone hedge fund company. You see, this guy traded GBP JPY until England shut down. That was on the black, they call it Black Wednesday. It was from Black Wednesday that we now have Black Fridays and the rest of them. George Soros, by the name of, his name is George Soros. George Soros traded the GBP JPY until he shut down England. Well, that is a hedge fund, so they can afford to shut down England. So I'm not suggesting that this tinkling trade that I'm taking here is going to shut down England or whatever. No. But what I'm saying is that this tinkling trade I'm taking here and holding it by the balls will pay for all the losses I have probably incurred in the past, all right? In the past 1 week or 2 weeks, or thereabout. So it is a great opportunity, all right, for us to stay in this mentorship and learn what the ingredients are. I mentioned that there are 3, and how to use it to maximize your profit. The biggest loss that a trader will have is not the trades that went in loss, but profit opportunities that were thrown away, where you jumped out too quickly because you probably were afraid or not confident of yourself about the trade anymore, okay? So, like I said, it's not how many times you failed. But when opportunity came, and because of fear of failure, you did not seize it. That is the biggest loss. That's the biggest loss. All right, so guys, we're on this trade. This is a 4 hours time frame. I'm not doing 15 minutes, and I'm watching the market. There is something that will happen that I'm expecting to happen before 4 p.m. Before 3 p.m. today. This is indices, and then their time is 1 hour behind currencies. So there's something that I'm expecting to happen by 3 p.m. today. And once that happens, we book some profit and then wait. Price is going to make a retracement, and then I'll reload. All right. But until then, so we trade in real time. We make decisions in real time. We don't make decisions by, oh, price has broken this high, or price has taken out this level, or price is at a support, or price is at a resistance. I will show you in the mentorship program that those things are real crap, and they have really messed up your trading psychology. They have really messed up your trading psychology. Right, so one more thing, if there's an opportunity, I'm sure this is the volatility 25 index. Don't forget that this instrument trades 7 days a week. It doesn't trade 5 days a week. So if you want to trade this instrument, you can DM the WhatsApp, Dove Light WhatsApp number, and I'll give you a link to sign up and create your account. All right, so something is happening on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, that's today. If the candle on the daily time frame, I repeat, if the candle on the daily time frame, I repeat, if the candle on the daily time frame closes bearish, we are selling. If the candle on the daily time frame today closes bearish, we are selling V25, right? Okay, so note that and then keep that at the back of your mind. It means that we can have an opportunity on Saturday, which is tomorrow, all right? I'm watching the volatility 10 index as well, and then there are certain things I'm looking for to play out, right? There are certain things I'm looking for to play out. And once it's done, I'm also going to announce it on Monday for us to take opportunity. Let's look at the currency market very quickly. So let's get to currencies. I want to see currency. So currency, last week, this is the Euro AUD. This is the weekly time frame of the Euro AUD. The Euro AUD, I shot a sell signal, and then we are looking at the opportunity to short this instrument right now, okay? So is it time to enter this instrument? Guys, you gotta wait. You gotta wait for today to close. I want today to close, all right? And then at the end of today, we'll be able to determine, but from the indications and from the things we see, all right, I gave this signal that we wanted a candle to close bearish, but it did not print a 99% efficiency. It didn't print 99% efficiency, and that is why I did not take this sell trade. Yes, price has lowered a little, but that sell trade is going to be short-lived, right? Until we see what happens at the end of today. By the end of today, if what we're looking for closes within the week, by Monday, I will give you a shout for the opportunity. The same thing goes with the Euro card. So the Euro card this week, today is Friday already, and then the Euro card is already closing bearish. Unlike the Euro AUD, look at the Euro AUD on the weekly time frame. So let me expand that. The Euro AUD on the weekly time frame is still bullish, right? There's something here, and there's a reason. It's not every high that has liquidity pool. It's not every high that has money. There's a reason why the high has money. It's not every high that has money, all right? So on this point, yes, we see that there is an opportunity for the euro to lose strength next week. There's opportunity that the euro is going to lose strength next week. But two instruments are going to take it on, all right? We're looking at the AUD and the Canadian dollar taking it on. As we speak now, it does appear that the AUD is not yet ready to slam the euro, but the Canadian dollar seems to be ready to slam the euro. So with the Canadian dollar, where do we expect price to go? Price is still going to continue on a sell. For those of you who have attended one or two of my programs, you will notice that there's a block here, there's a block of orders, and price will be hitting into this point before a reversal. So next week on the Euro card, we are expecting a sell of up to 300 pips, guys, before we begin to think of buying the euro. 300 pips for grabs next week. 300 pips for grabs next week. And on the euro, we might also be having about 700 pips for grabs by the time the euro moves. So guys, this is the opportunity. This is the market overview for this week, right? We look forward to what is going to happen next week, but expect another broadcast on Monday. I want to thank you all, and for all of you who have signed up for the mentorship, I want to thank you very much. It's a great step you've taken to revolutionize your career and take your financial status to the next level. And then everyone listening to me, please just note, if you have signed up and then completed your registration for, you have signed up for the mentorship, all right, a link will be dropped tomorrow, all right? A link will be dropped tomorrow where you're going to input your details and then get exclusive access into the webinar. The access to the webinar cannot be shared. If you give it to your brother or to your friend and your friend logs in with it, you are logged out. Once one person log in with that access, there is no two access, right? So our mentorship is street jacketed, and I want to announce to you that attendance is strictly advised. Attendance is strictly advised. We do not want to train traders that will lose money tomorrow and then come back to blame us that we didn't give them the right stuff, right? So I need you to be in class, ask your questions, follow through with the assignment and task. I'll be giving us more information about the upcoming mentorship starting on Monday. And more importantly is that for all of you who have signed up, it's a great privilege. You are also having a direct access to the Other Block investment seminar open session that will be taking place on Monday. Other Block investment open session that will be taking place on Monday to be handled by TVHM himself. So get set. It's going to be a very great experience with Dove Light FX team. Thank you very much and do have a lovely weekend. Goodbye.